Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at opening different CAD files. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head into the program here. Now, in the previous video, we looked at creating a new CAD. So by now, you should hopefully be comfortable with that. So I'm just going to make a new CAD here. And then in today's video, we're going to be looking at how to open CADs. Now, there's two main reasons why you might want to do this. Number one is perhaps you have already worked on a CAD and you've saved it, but you realize you still need to do editing to it or something on that line. Then you would want to open your CAD. And then another way what you might want to do this, perhaps you downloaded a CAD file and would like to make some changes or perhaps see how they made it. Then you can also use this, if it's the right format of course, open it in the program. So now, like with the new, where we've got the two big buttons we can use, same with the open. We've got on our primary toolbar here, we've got a big open button, which is probably the best one to use because it's so easy. But at the bottom here on the actual, secondary toolbar, we've got this little one as well. Now, something to keep in mind that we did not cover previously, which might be confusing at first, is that these are actually separate. So you might think this is two of the same thing, two of the same because the icons look the same, but you're going to get a nice little surprise when you finally do it, or at least you might. So if you nicely see here, this one says new sheet, and if I hover this one, it says new CAD. So even though they've got the same icons, this one is mostly for your CAM and that, and the bottom here is for the CAD. So just don't mix it up. I know I said they're the same, you can use them, but it's kind of just to demonstrate that they are actually different. Because if you're new to this, your first reaction might be just to go here, open file or new, where instead you have to go here on the secondary toolbar. So now to do that, we're going to simply click here, open CAD. I'm not sure if we can do it from file menu, just see. And we've got open file, open CAD. Okay, we've got a new CAD here as well, which is nice. I didn't see it previously, but yeah, so we can open a CAD from the file menu as well, like with most other programs. But most of the time, you can just simply click this little page, and then it will bring us our open dialog box. Now, there's only two, unfortunately, CAD formats that we can choose from, but this is the two most common ones that most programs use. So we've got the DXF and DWG, and then I don't know why I said unfortunately, it's kind of just that's the way it is. But yeah, otherwise what you have here is you have your main preview box. This is where you can navigate to go find your CAD file. Depending if you've downloaded it, it might be under your downloads. Otherwise, I've just moved my stuff to a certain folder. You can navigate like a normal Windows, where you go up and back with these icons, and then you've got a quick library on the left. Then once you've by the place where your CAD is, I'm just going to select this. Got a nice open contour CAD here. You've got a preview on the right. So if I had to click on other ones, we can see the actual preview update here. So you can make sure you've got the right CAD. Then with it selected, you can simply click the button called select, and then this will open the CAD into your actual program. As we can see here, it's nothing special. We've got a few straight lines, but it's an open shape. So as you can see over here, open contour does not connect. Then I can select these individually as it is not one shape. But yeah, so otherwise that is how you'll open. So now in this case, I could carry on editing this shape if I need to, and then just simply carry on from there. But yeah, otherwise, in the meanwhile, before we move on, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.